चला मी आलो लाईव्ह. स्क्रीन शेअर करू. मला सांगा स्क्रीन दिसत आहे काय? शेअर. थोडं थांबा, मला बघू द्या मोबाईल मध्ये स्क्रीन दिसत आहे काय. कुठे गेले? हॅलो हॅलो. अच्छा, स्क्रीन नाही दिसत आहे ना. स्टॉप शेअरिंग अगेन. नाव. ओके. I think I need to share entire screen. Yeah. All is visible. Okay. Amazon RDS. Amazon RDS manage a relational database service supporting MySQL, PostgreSQL, Oracle, etc. Features including automated backup, multi multi-agent deployment, read replicas, and scaling. Okay. How do you use Amazon RDS in your project? In my previous project, I use Amazon RDS to store structured transactional data coming from source system. It's act as a source for ETL pipelines where data was extracting using a glue and then moved to S3 for further processing. RDS provide a managed and reliable database evaluation without worrying about the infrastructure management. What are the key features of Amazon RDS? RDS provides feature like a managed database service, automated backups, multi-Z, multi-AZ deployment for high availability, read replicas for scaling read operation, automatic patching and easy scaling of compute and storage. It support multiple database engine like MySQL, Postgres, Oracle, and SQL Server. What is a multi-AZ deployment in RDS? Multi-AZ deployments create a primary database instant and standby replicas in a different availability zone. In case of failure, RDS automatically fails over to the standby instant. In my project, I use a multi-AZ for critical database to ensure high availability and minimal downtime. What are the replicas in RDS? Read replicas are used to scale read operation by creating copies of primary database. These replicas handle read queries, reducing load on the main instant. In my project, I use read replicas to improve performance for reporting queries. How do you how do backups work in RDS? RDS provides automatic backups, including daily snapshot and transactional logs. This is allow point in time recovery. In my project, I configure backup retains periods to ensure data recovery in case of failures. How do you scale Amazon RDS? RDS support vertical scaling, increase the instant size, horizontal scaling, use read replicas. In my project, I use vertical scaling during high workload periods and read replicas for handling large read queries. How do you secure RDS? Security is implemented using IAM role and policies, VPC and security groups, encryption and reset, and in transit, database authentication. In my project, I restrict access using VPC and enable encryption for sensitive data. What is the difference between RDS and DynamoDB? RDS is a relational database service. It's SQL based, while DynamoDB is NoSQL database. RDS is suitable for structured data with relationship where DynamoDB is used for high-speed key value workloads. How do you monitor RDS performance? RDS is monitored using AWS CloudWatch, which is provides metric like CPU m- uh, memory, disk, input, output, and connection. It's also use performance insight to identify slow query and optimize them. What challenges you have faced with the RDS? How did you resolve them? One challenge was slow query performance, which I resolved by optimizing index and using read replicas. Another issue was downtime risk, which is handled by enabling multiple um, availability zone deployment. I also faced storage limitation, which is I resolved by scanning. Sorry, storage limitation, which I resolved by scaling storage dynamically.